Hey, what's up? Let's record a voice in Davinci Resolve. You can't record in edit mode. To do this, go to the Fairlight tab over here. You can see your audio track called Audio 1. Before we start to record, we need first to set track to mono. Right-click Audio 1 and go change track type to mono. Now if you click record, nothing happens. We need to set our microphone input and output. Go to the mixer tool. If you don't see it, just click up mixer. Under A1, which is our audio 1 track, click this no input and select input. Over here, depending on your hardware, make sure to select your microphone and your destination to be your A1 audio 1 track. Click patch when you are done and close it. If you click record now, it will record nothing. Great. Before recording, make sure to click this R button. As you can see, you will see audio levels, and now you are ready to hit that recording button. Just click it and speak it in the microphone, and when you are done, hit stop or space on your keyboard. You can also position playhead where you want and start to record from there. And this is it, a quick video about how to record voice in Davinci Resolve. If you find this video helpful, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day!